Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So open first the settings and then scroll down to advanced features. Tap here to screenshots and screen recorder. Click to sound section and switch media to media and microphone if you want to comment something, or just you could switch it to none to record the mood videos. So we got also one more way how we could launch screen recorder settings. Just open first the control panel, find screen recorder icon, hold it for a while, and by the same way after that you'll launch here screen recorder settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.